Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Explorer Timberline. Coming in this nice star white metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter i4 EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle also comes equipped with the Timberline technology package. And taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice tow hitch right there, backup camera, and we also have roof racks for all your hauling necessities. And moving to the front, we do have two tow hooks, that nice orange for the Timberline, as well as that nice license plate bracket, a front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with the remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. This vehicle also comes equipped with the automatic trunk opener, which you can also open from there, your key fob or a button up the front, providing you with a lot of space and little side pockets for whatever you need, plus hooks all around the back. And lift things up, we do have storage underneath, and you can collapse these rows and the middle row for extra storage. And you can also use these as well, which automatically fold down your seats for you, as we can see there. And hitting both of them, they both all come up at the same time. We also do have a nice 12-volt outlet there, right there, which is pretty handy. And to close it, you can just easily hit this button here or the button on your key fob, and it does close automatically for you. Taking a look on the interior now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice Cypress green and gray cloth interior with the orange stitching. We do have our own climate system, and the two middle rows are the two middle seats are heated. We do have two USB-Cs, 110-volt outlet, and this does open up for 2 cup holders. We do have plenty of door space as well, and the nice Cypress green on the door. And to get in the back, you can either go around in the middle or just collapse the seat and pull it forward, allowing you to have a lot of extra room with cup holders, little storage cubbies around the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, as well as the same Cypress green and gray cloth interior with the nice Timberland logo. We do have plenty of door space as well, a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice, the nice green. We have our trunk opener here and your lights right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 21.2 kilometers. And moving back, we do have a nice black leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with the orange Timberline stitching. Oh boy. We also have our menu for toggle for our menu right there. Voice, phone, media, volume and mute, and then we have our cruise control and our adaptive cruise control right there. Now looking at our main menu, you can go through to select screens such as COM, fuel, trip 1, trip 2, tire pressure, intelligent 4-wheel drive, and so on and so forth, which you can set up however you please. Audio, navigation, phone, audio, display, and so on and so forth. Now looking over here, you do have your gear shift right there, nice little phone slot, 2 cup holders. We do have a wireless charging pad right there. Your drive modes are here, parking brake, auto stop and auto start, traction control. Your hill descent is right there, drive modes. And looking at your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, awesome, trail, deep sand and snow, and all the way to the right, eco, sport, and tow and haul. And continuing our look over here, this does open up, providing you with a lot of storage with the USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt outlet. This does close. We do have our functions for our heated seats and steering wheel, which is pretty nice. Dual climate, so no need to fight over the temperature. Your volume and media controls are here, as well as your your hazards are right there. You do have a nice little storage cubby right there, and your main screen, which we do have navigation, what station you're currently on, and what phone's connected, but you can set it up however you please. Audio, which we do have Sirius XM capabilities, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. On your phone, navigation, so you don't get lost, of course, apps, or any apps you've downloaded, settings such as radio, drivers, general, Wi-Fi assist, automatic, and so on and so forth. And looking here, you have that nice Cypress screen again with the orange stitching, and lifting it up, you do have a 12-volt outlet and a fair bit of storage down there. The stock number for this vehicle is GA12267, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.